Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the application cache for the Hinge app on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, you may either long press on the Hinge application and tap on the I button in order to end up within the application info page, or you may also open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. Now from the Apps page, just locate the Hinge application, or you may also use the search box to search for it. Once you find the Hinge app, go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken into the application info page. First of all, tap on the force stop button in order to stop the application, and once the application is stopped, you can scroll down and tap on storage. Now within the storage page, you will see the clear cache button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see that the application cache has been cleared. After clearing your cache, you can now go back and start using the Hinge application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the application cache for the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.